Okay, exercise 1.86. This is for a student who's working on assignment 1.3. So it's exercise 1.86, as you can see. So a sample of gaseous neon atoms at atmospheric pressure and 0 degrees centigrade. So pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere because that's what atmospheric pressure is, but I don't think that matters, okay? And 0 degrees centigrade, temperature is equal to 0 degrees centigrade. I don't think that matters either. Contains this many atoms. N is equal to 2.69 times 10 to the 22 atoms per liter. Oops. Let's say volume is equal to 1 liter. Okay. What the atomic rate? Oops, don't have the question here. That's just the background. The question is, what fraction of space do the atoms occupy? Can you see that? What fraction of space do the atoms occupy? And it looks like it's the volume of neon over the volume total. So let's go back here. The volume of neon over the volume total. Okay? So it looks like the volume total is 1 liter. So what we have to do is we got to figure out what the volume of neon is. What is the volume of neon? Okay? So the volume of neon, it looks like it's, I'm going to have to find the volume of an atom, the volume of an per atom, and then the number of atoms. That's what I'm going to figure out, right? See how those atoms are going to cross off? That's the total volume of neon. Now, the total volume of an atom, I see the radius here is 69 picometers. R is equal to 69 picometers, which I'm going to put this in meters right away. 69 times 10 to the minus 12 meters. I'm going to do that right away because I'm afraid of doing anything with picometers, because I'm going to have to get, in order to get the volume, of the cubit. And I know that because I just Googled volume. What? Just a minute here. Wait. What is the volume of a sphere? What is the volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay? So, the volume of a neon atom, which is a sphere, is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed, right? And there's r right there. 69 times 10 to the minus 12. It's a 12. Okay? So the volume of a 3.14159 . And this is going to be in cubic meters. Okay, and then I'm going to have to figure out how many liters are in a cubic meter. All right, this is a little bit complicated. Let's go to a new page and say, well, let's go back here. I'll get rid of that in a second. Okay, let's figure out this number first of all. Okay, 4/3. I don't have my calculator with me, so I'm going to have to use this, which I won't show you what it is. 4 divided by 3 times 3.14159 times, and I'm putting this in the parentheses now. The parentheses, 69 cubed. Oh, no. You know what? I have to start over again. I'm going to do the 69 times 10 to the minus 12 equals, and I'm going to cube that. Then I'm going to multiply it by 4, divide by 3, and multiply by pi. 3 times, or 3.14159. equals, okay, so this looks to be, rather, I'm sorry, 1.37 times 10 to the minus 30 meters. Okay, so let's go here. 1.37 times 10 to the minus 30. One 1.37 times 10 to the minus 30 cubic meters. All right. Now I can't do, I could look up how many liters are in a cubic meter, but instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this meters or milliliters and liters. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. This will give me liters, right? Mils will cross off. Okay, this is going to have to be cubed. Excuse me. There's 100 centimeters in a 100 centimeters in a meter. There's 1 mil in a cubic centimeter, and there's 1,000 mils in a liter. All right. So this 100 cubed goes to 100 times 100 times 100. That's a million. Okay, so this is going to cross off with this and give 1,000 up here left. So this turns out it's going to be 1.37 times 10 to the minus 27 liters. Is that right? That's tiny. That is really small. Very small volume. I'm not sure if it's possible to be quite that small. But let's go with it anyway for now. And 1.37 times 10 to the minus 27 liters. Oh, I never multiplied by atoms. I got a problem here, folks. Let me get rid of that. Come back over here. Yeah. I got to multiply by atoms. That's just the volume of one atom. Okay. That's that many liters. Okay, let me go back here and say liters per atom. But we got to multiply by atoms. And how many atoms were there? 2.69 times 10 to the 22. Right? Okay. And the 2.69 times 10 to the 22. Let's see, times 2.69 times 10 to the 22 equals, okay, this gives me 3.7016 times 10 to the, and I'm not using my scientific calculator, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? That just can't be right. I've got to do that math again. Oh, yeah. Times 1,000. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's 3.7 times 10 to the minus 5. And that is liters for all of the atoms, okay, which is the volume of the neon. And the volume total we chose from the previous page, chose it to be 1 liter. Okay, and so the fraction is going to be that. Now let's go back and do sig figs. Actually, I'm a little bit worn out here. I'm going to give you guys the chance to do sig figs on your own. I know we had 2.69. That was the one measurement. There was 3 sig figs here. In order to get this, I'd have to flip back to a previous page. Let's go back here. There was 2.69. There's 3 sig figs here. 2 sig figs here. Is that right? 69 picometers. So it looks like the answer is going to have to be in 2 sig figs. Go back here. Okay, so this is going to be 2 sig figs. So this is going to be about 3.7 times 10 to the minus 5. That's the fraction. All right, and there's your answer. I hope that's helpful.